Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dima. As always, today's video I'm going to be showing you around the flower garden where they sell a lot of flowers, a lot of plants. So I came here to get aloe vera, but it happens that the aloe vera that they have is still small and the one I got from them is still growing, and I don't want to alter that. I'm going to be showing you people a lot of flowers, and I'm going to be getting an indoor plant for my videos or my background, my YouTube background. Let's go. Okay, this is the plant that I actually want to get. This is an indoor plant, but it's quite pricey. What's the name of this plant, please? Cyca, please speak up so that I can hear you.
Cyca palm.
Cyca palm. So this is called Cyca palm. Do you have hibiscus?
Yeah.
Show me hibiscus, please. So guys, I'm going to show you guys hibiscus. A lot of you, when I filmed my last video, a lot of you wanted to see hibiscus plants, so I'm going to be showing you hibiscus plants.
This one is hibiscus, but the flower is...
Okay, this is hibiscus plant. This is what it looks like, and these are the buds. These are the buds. It's still sprouting. It's still sprouting. There's this zobo plant. Do you have it? Okay, this is zobo plants. This is the proper hibiscus plant. These are the leaves. The flowers are, because this one is still growing out, the flowers are not yet here, but this is the hibiscus, you know. This is also another species of hibiscus. A lot of people mistake this for hibiscus plants. So this is another species. This one is already bringing out these flowers, but this is the proper hibiscus that we use for hair. Okay, so what's this plant called?
This one is a Christmas tree.
Okay, Christmas tree. So this is Christmas tree. This is what it looks like. So what do you call this plant? What do you call this plant?
Umbrella tree.
Umbrella tree. And this is the big one. The umbrella tree that you see in houses, all those beautiful houses. This tree is what people usually plant in their homes for shade. When they want to receive fresh air, they sit under the tree and then receive fresh air. So these are the nursery plants, and this is the big plant. So what do you call these flowers? These flowers that looks like palm.
Coconut tree. This one.
Coconut tree. Okay.
This one is coconut.
Coconut. So guys, this is coconut tree. So what do you call this?
Avocado tree.
Avocado. So guys, if you have not seen avocado, this avocado that we use to make DIYs, this is the tree. Guys, this is the tree. This is still growing, and for any of you who want to buy this tree to plant in your farm or in your garden, this is where you can get it in its nursery form, and then you plant it. So guys, this is how the leaves looks like, the avocado we use for our DIY. So this is the plant. So this is the plant. What plant is this? Water plant. So let's keep going. So these are the nursery plants. They are all flowers. different types of flowers, guys. Different types of flowers. So what's this plant called?
This one.
Yeah.
Gardenia.
Dagina. Dagina. So he's saying that this is called Dagina. And this is pawpaw. Pawpaw, guys. This is pawpaw plant. This is what it looks like. Trying to get a good angle to view this. So this is pawpaw plant. As you can see, the pawpaw is already coming out. So these are other plants. These are basically flowers. Okay, let's keep going. So this is mango. Mango, guys. This is, can somebody actually transplant this? Can this be transplanted? This mango tree, as it's big now, can it be transplanted?
No.
It can be transplanted.
So they have the seed.
So this is the mango leaves. It can be transplanted as big as it is, except it's in its nursery form. That's when you can transplant it. Okay. So we'll head to, you have your palm tree, because that's basically what I want to buy. This flower is so beautiful. What's the name? So beautiful. Awucaria. So this is called Awucaria. If you know these flowers, let me know in the comments. What do you call it? They are so beautiful. So beautiful. Pawpaw, okay. These are pawpaw nursery. For those of you who would like to plant pawpaw, this is where you can get them, how you can get them and then transplant in your own land. So this is what pawpaw nursery looks like. Pawpaw. This is our neem leaves. So this is the nursery. If you watched my last vlog, you will remember these leaves. This is neem leaves, guys. I'm so excited to see this in its nursery form. So this is what it looks like. It can actually be transplanted. Before it gets all tall and huge, this is how it starts. This is the nursery form of our neem leaves. Do you have moringa? Okay, so this is the nursery form of neem leaves. So moringa, okay. Yeah, they also have moringa. So this is moringa. This is what moringa looks like. Quite tall. Can you see? This is moringa. You can see all the herbs that we have been using. Can be found here. That's moringa. Do you have the nursery? You don't have the nursery. Okay, these flowers are so beautiful. Beautiful flowers. It looks like moringa, but it's not moringa. What plant is this? I always see it around.
I don't even know the name of this one. I don't remember.
Okay, you say you don't know the name of this plant. Okay, this is the palm plant.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the golden palm.
Okay, so let's go to the palm plants, the one I can buy. So guys, these are the palm plants, and I actually want to get one of these. I actually want to get golden palm. Okay, these are the golden palm, and I actually want to get one of these, guys. Oh God, let me see if I can get. Okay, these are the golden plants.
The nose.
So how long, if I get it now, if I get, guys, I'm so sorry, I'm by the roadside, the noise is too much. If I get these ones now, how long will it take to grow?
Okay, this one maybe from next 2 months or next 3 months.
That's quite a long time.
This yes, you can plant it inside buckets.
Okay, guys, I forgot to show you guys aloe vera. I actually wanted to get some aloe vera, but it happens that he doesn't have a bigger one. I actually need aloe vera to film for you guys. Okay, so this is aloe vera. His aloe vera are quite small and I can't get from this. And he's trying to show me another one. So this is the biggest form of aloe vera. Biggest form of aloe vera that he has. And you guys know that I always run from little aloe vera like this. I actually need the big ones. Can't I get the big ones? Because I actually need it for something. The one I'm buying. So guys, this is the one I'm buying. This is the one I'm finally settling with. Okay guys, here he's trying to transplant the palm plant, the golden palm for me in a flower pot. I actually bought this flower pot, not up to $2. Is actually a plastic flower pot. So what he's trying to do now is to transplant it. So, and right about now he's trying to pack some sand into it, because I'm actually going to put this in my room, my filming area. I'm going to be using it to beautify my background. So that's what he's trying to do for me now. And now he went to get some manure. So manure is what he just added right now, and he's topping it up with some sand. So after adding the sand, the next thing he's trying to do is to beautify it with the white stones. These stones is actually what they use to beautify flowers, especially flowers that are going to be indoors. I don't know, let me know if you know about these stones in the comments below. I actually paid for these stones because them too, they actually buy the stones. So I paid for it and my flower is ready. So guys, if you watched up until this point, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. That's my palm plants behind me, golden palm as they call it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this vlog, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Share this video so that we can reach a lot of people. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.